got a simple design, it's really intuitive, so really easy to use. It's got a great zoom, so it's great to for trying to take pictures of animals that are a bit far away.
The video quality was good, the colors were amazing, and it helped us develop a very nice project.
What I like the most about this camera is that you have in the pocket all the power you need to reach to all the birds you want to shoot.
I'm a user of big camera, also binoculars, but this is something between. Something like combining the best of both to really get as close as possible. Plus it's super light, and that's the most important when you go to the field and you do research. You can get so close so easily. So I remember first pressing the button, I was like, wow, it's like you would not expect that from a small camera.